Hello everybody, today we are going to see what happens when you drip water over a freezer. This is a small freezer that I keep in my kitchen and I unfortunately dropped some water on top of it. The water dripped and the appliance stopped working. I think it shorted something and when I turned it around I saw that this component was in fact wet. After unplugging the appliance, I've removed the cover and it was wet and dirty. I've then disconnected the cables, moved the compressor to the side and removed the component that I thought was fried. Before unplugging all the cables, I've took a lot of photos. That way I can reassemble it, because otherwise I would have no idea on how to put everything back together. The component was looking fine on the outside, but after opening it I saw that it was burned in one spot, so I've turned to the internet and, after a long search and a few days of wait, the new component arrived. I've checked my photos and I've reconnected everything. In the meanwhile, I've discovered that this is a starter for the compressor. After everything was connected, I've tried to turn it back on and it was alive. After this test, I've reassembled everything and this freezer was fixed. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it somehow helped you. It would really help if you would leave a like and subscribe. I'm Leo and I'll see you next week. But, in the meantime, remember to keep things alive.